In this video, I'll show you how to add TripAdvisor reviews to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. If you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for elf site. Now that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the reviews section, and down below you will find reviews from TripAdvisor. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the right corner of the window, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 6 options. On the source section, this is where you can add your source, and to do that, simply head over to TripAdvisor. In here, you want to click on the share button on the right-hand side, and then click on copy link. Now head over back to elf site. Now what you want to do is on the source section, simply click on the TripAdvisor URL and then press on Ctrl V to paste. Once you've done that, it should be able to pop up the reviews from TripAdvisor. On the AI generated summary, you can toggle this off or toggle it on. And if you do turn it on, you can choose the summary style as well as change the text typing animation. On the layout section, this is where you can change your layout, and if you click on the See All Layouts, you can choose from one of the layouts that are available. Once you're done, just simply go to the top and the right-hand side and then click on Done. Below, you can customize the layout, and you can change the width, the columns, the rows on desktop, the rows on mobile, as well as the item spacing. If you have the slider and carousel layout, you will have an autoplay option, and in here you can turn it on, change the animation, as well as the scroll mode. On the header section, you can show the header or not, and if you do, you can choose from one of the styles of the header. Each and every header has their own elements, so below, you can toggle the elements on and off if that is something that you want to do. Below, you can also add the widget title, and if you turn it off, it won't show, but you can change the title as well as the caption. On the review section, this is where you can change your review style. You can choose from one of the 3 styles that are available, and below, you can also change the review source style. And if you click on the Customize button, you'll be able to change the things that are on the reviews. On the style section, you can even change the color scheme from light to dark, as well as change the accent color depending on your style. Below, you can change the color of the background, header, rating, review, navigation arrows, as well as pagination. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into ElfSite if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between two sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, hover onto Embed in Social. Embed Code. On the right-hand side, click on the plus sign to add to site. And then on the top, click on Enter Code. From here on the left-hand side, what you will do is make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so everything that is in here, make sure to delete that. Next, press on Ctrl V to paste the code, and once you're done, at the bottom, click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to see your widget, and on the corners of the frame, you will see the circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you want to click on the widget, and then at the bottom, click on Edit Code. On the left-hand side, you just want to press on Ctrl V so we can just paste the code. Now, under Font Family, you can change the fonts that are written in here into something they would like. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and then click on Update so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have changed the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. Now, the next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. And as you can see, we now have TripAdvisor reviews on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.